In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a moving or animated banner in Google Sites. If you've ever wanted your site to look more engaging and professional with a touch of animation, this guide is going to make it super simple. So, let's get started. The key to having a moving banner in Google Sites is using an animated GIF file. Google Sites doesn't directly support video headers, but it does allow GIFs, and that's how we make the banner move. First, you'll need to create your animated GIF. A great tool for this is Canva. You can either design from scratch or upload a short video clip. Once your animation is ready, download it as a GIF file. Make sure it's not too large, otherwise it might slow down your site loading speed. Now head over to your Google site. Hover over the header area at the top of your page. You'll see an image button. Click on that and then select Upload. From here, choose the GIF you created. Within a few seconds, your banner area will display the animated design, giving your site a much more dynamic look. That's all it takes. Design a GIF, upload it, and you're done. With this method, you can make your Google site stand out with eye-catching animated banners in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to keep exploring more ways to customize your Google site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.